Yeye mnatuambia take two eh?
And then you
Good evening. Fred, a minute.
Unasikia?
Ni wakati wetu saa hii, na kama si saa hii ni sasa hivi kuhusishwa kikamilifu kama walemavu in issues katika majadiliano ya county na kitaifa kijumla. We need to be incorporated in the NACO report. We need to be incorporated in the implementation of the 10-point agenda and the intergeneration conclave discussions that are taking place. I'm aware that over 20 groups or stakeholders have been able to present their memorandums, and as a representative of other PWDs who have not been proactive in these spheres of political and economic agendas, we choose to front our agendas ahead and to make sure that at least we are able to articulate our issues in a meticulous manner, and whatever kind of committees or representations that we are going to be given, we are going to be scrupulously doing those jobs to the best of our interest.